Land your dream Gen AI job in just 90 days with our AWS and Generative AI job coaching. Calling all freshers with AWS fundamentals. Are you ready to ride the wave of AI innovation and secure a high-paying job in the booming field of generative AI? Look no further. Our intensive 90-day coaching program will equip you with the in-demand skills and hands-on experience to launch your career as a Gen AI engineer. Here's what you need to get started. Completion of an AWS training program with Terraform/Python experience. A free tier AWS account will guide you through the setup. A Skype account for seamless collaboration and knowledge sharing. Our proven 3-month roadmap to success. Month 1, master AWS Cloud Foundations and build your project portfolio. Deep dive into AWS core services. Through structured video tutorials and daily practice assignments, you'll gain mastery over essential AWS services. Hands-on project work. Build real-world cloud environments by setting up web servers, databases, and storage solutions. Embrace infrastructure as code. Learn Terraform and CloudFormation to automate your cloud infrastructure deployments. Showcase your skills. Create compelling demo videos of your projects to impress potential employers. Goal: 2 demos per week. Month 2, level up with AWS DevOps and containerization. Master the art of DevOps, implement C/CD pipelines and automate your software delivery processes. Become a containerization guru, harness the power of Docker to build, deploy, and manage containerized applications. Orchestrate with confidence, deploy and manage containers at scale using AWS ECS and EKS, Kubernetes. Automate with Python and Boto 3, write efficient scripts to interact with AWS services programmatically. Expand your project portfolio. Continue building impressive projects and demo videos. Goal is 2 demos per week. Month 3, unlock the power of generative AI and land your dream job. Dive into AWS generative AI services, explore and master cutting-edge services like AWS Speech and AWS Translation. Build AI-powered applications, create demo projects showcasing your Gen AI skills. Craft a winning resume, highlight your AWS, DevOps, and Gen AI expertise to attract top employers. Ace your interviews, participate in mock interviews and receive personalized feedback to boost your confidence. Target high-paying Gen AI roles, leverage your enhanced skills and impressive portfolio to land your dream job. Why choose our program? Structured curriculum and expert guidance. Benefit from our proven curriculum and receive personalized support every step of the way. Hands-on project-based learning. Gain practical experience through real-world projects and build a portfolio that stands out. Career-focused approach will help you craft a compelling resume, prepare for interviews, and confidently navigate the job market. Don't miss this opportunity to fast-track your career in the exciting world of AI. Visit https://skumarcoaching.com/. Contact us, Shanti Kumar V, on LinkedIn, https://www.linkedin.com/in/skumareatpractices/ today to schedule a consultation and embark on your journey to becoming a highly sought-after Gen AI engineer. Contact on LinkedIn. We wish you good luck in your IT career.